Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to use Instagram Maps to share your location. I was exploring Instagram messages the other day and noticed the map feature, which is kind of like a built-in way to share where you are. Pretty handy if you're meeting someone. So I tap into the chat section, then open the map icon at the top. The first time you use it, Instagram will ask for location permission, so I had to go into my phone settings, find Instagram, and set location access to while using the app. Once that's enabled, I went back into Instagram and tapped the settings icon inside the map. That's where you choose who can see your location. I picked close friends since I didn't want to broadcast it to everyone. After selecting that, I tapped share location, and just like that, my location became visible to that group. It's actually pretty useful, but I always double check who I'm sharing with because sharing your location is one of those features you want to control carefully. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.